Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just outside running errands today, and I decided to stop for a few seconds in the parking lot and to look at the clouds. Look at these clouds. Aren't they nice? Wow, they're huge. I'm on my way getting out the vehicle. Not just yet. I have to go to the laundromat first and then, get some more wrapping paper and little things like that. So how about come with me and check out some new things and see what they got that's new. Well, Christmas is like right here next week. So, yeah, I'm in the crowd with everybody else. So, all right, okay, so I made it to the laundromat. And this is what I see here. You get 96 free minutes, but the dryers are no longer free. Well, they get that few minutes, and then I guess you got to pay for the rest. Wow. Wow. It says 80 pounds, so I'm gonna go outside to my car and be back. But it's drying, washing slow though. Why is it washing so slow? Okay, I'm gonna have to leave out. It's another beautiful day in here. It's beautiful outside again. It's the same laundromat. This is the parking lot. Somebody done knocked over. They don't put these little things right here so nobody can park here, and they done knocked it down. I see that. Oh man, I knocked the thing down. Okay, yeah, I managed to get a dryer, but it's down here. I don't like the down low ones because I gotta bend down and get my laundry. Ugh, I hate it, but everything on the top is full. Look at that. Alright, I'll catch y'all on the outside. Just running errands today, y'all. Just running errands today, that's all. Hope y'all having a good day. Okay, y'all, laundry's all done. Now let's go take off and go get some presents. See you in the present store. Okay, y'all. First off is Burlington. I know I was there the other day, but I need to see if they got some wrapping paper for Zori. Shoe cam. Ooh, my nose is itching too. Trying to go inside here. Coming out of the laundromat. Alright, get you inside. Hopefully it goes inside the what you call it. It opens up slow. Opens sesame. All on me. Like, we're not doing purses today. No purses. Let's just see what they got in back of here first. I'm not staying here long. I'll get to the toys. Should I night mode it? Can you see both? Yeah, it's night. It's cold out here. I know that. Sheesh. Goodness gracious. Whew. Thank you. Oh, goodness. Thank you. Alright, I need to come in here. I need boxes. I'm so cold. Boxes. Excuse me. You have any more Christmas boxes? Out of it? Oh, goodness gracious. They done bought all the Christmas boxes. Should have picked it up when I seen it. No Christmas box. Well, they got these ones. That's not the one I need, though. And some more boxes. That's not what I need, though. I need the ones for the clothing. Some more boxes here. Come on. Do they have wrapping paper at least? Okay, let's go check the other aisle first before I even say that. I know I need to get more of these. Oh, here's the white one. Yeah, this is the white ones I needed. Yeah, but I need Christmas colors too, though. This is the white ones I needed. Okay. I would say they off 50% off already. I'm like, oh shoot. Oh, I found some boxes. I think I found boxes. Yeah. These are plain white ones. That means I have to wrap, and I don't want to wrap anything. Just got 2 in there. Nothing Christmassy? Nope. What is this? Merry Christmas on this one. What is this one? This is a 2-pack. I guess I could just do the plain one and wrap myself. Yeah. I guess I can do that. Yeah, how many got? Yep, they all 2-packs. So, yep. Let's plane it. I'll keep it moving. Or should I get bags? Should I get some bags? Decisions. This is Family Dollar / Dollar Tree, so I don't know. I'm over it. I am so over it. Okay, let's get out of here. I'm tired now. Go home. Ciao. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. You want a video? Where's your phone? Oh, I don't know. I don't look at it. It's just a whole bunch of slot machines. All the way down. What are those? Are they $1 down? 50 cent? I mean, not 50 cent. You know what I mean. The, Willy Wonka. Hey, no, you didn't come up so you can take a picture. Ew. Looks scary. They gotta stop shaking like